Are you listening to me? Yes, please. And Karan, only 30 second your video. Your video should have at least more than 1 minute. Okay? And there should be use of words, new words should be there. So, every day, in our session, we shall be trying to use new words, especially Karan and Shikha for you because you are not new in the session. You have crossed, I think, more than one year, isn't it? Correct? Yes, more than 1 year. So I don't need to make you understand anything new as a beginner or like that. So you should have the command on vocabularies, especially. And next onwards, whenever you will be talking with each other in group session, group discussion, or extempore speech, or any other topic in the session, you should have the vocabularies in your control. And that's really prominent one to you for me to listen to you. Okay, so try that. If you are not trying, then it will not come to uh, your side. So let it come to your side by making it your habit. The making it the vocabularies to communicate with in English. It should be your habit, and that's important. Okay, so now today she was there, no? I know I Roto Magic or what. Her name was Bhavna. She was about to come. I don't know when she will be coming. So if she comes, then I will start as a new. That means from basics also. But now I want you to talk with some question and answer. And whenever I will be asking you today, only question and answer. Okay. After that, if the time permits, then we shall be trying on tongue twisters, presentation skill, and all. But before that, we have to talk with each other. So, are you ready for the answer? Okay, so Karan, where are you? Are you there? Hello? Okay, so first question comes to you, Karan. Just reply me. And how do you reply? That is important. Okay, don't be so fluency in that you are saying without using vocabulary, that one you not use like that. You try to use vocabularies. If you are slow down, no problem, but it should be you make it your habit. Okay, let's talk. Let's ask you one question. Karan, you are going to a market, to the market. After coming from the market, you just remember that something you forgot to bring from the shop. You have so and the time was 9:30, and your parents are not giving you allowing you to go to shop again after 9:30 p.m. So what would be the condition, how you will tackle this situation? Please let me know. That means you, Shika, you mean someone you will be requesting to your parents at first. After that, they will, whether they will be agree or not, that you are really inconvenient for that, and you will be asking them, you'll be requesting them, and if they are saying that to go at night, late night, uh, somewhere else is prohibited, then you will be calling to someone else, to your brother or your friends, and you'll be requesting them to bring that one to you instantly, and then only you will be like that, you will be handling the situation. And that's correct, that's good, very good. But Karan, I didn't understand what did you mean. What was your reply? Lastly, what did you say? I really didn't understand. Please, can you repeat your answer? Very good, Karan. So my next question goes. Next question is for Shikha. So, one of your best friend came to your home, and you got surprised, you got tickled pink, and you have just ready to welcome your friend from the core of your heart. So my question is that what would be what would you be doing when the person or when your best friend would be coming to your home? What are the things you will be doing? What are the works and what are the gossipings? What are the subject matters you will be communicating with each other? Please let me know. Shikha, I want to say that whenever I will tell you any question, you have to answer it, but no need to answer very fluently. You should use the vocabulary. How to use, I'm just showing you. You see, when my friend comes to my home, reaches to my home, I will be first or foremost, I would be really very tickle pink about his reach or her reach. I will be, and also I would be accelerated as well. You see the speed of my reply. You just follow the speed of my reply. Okay? Because I am learning to use vocabularies, that's why I need some slowness. Whenever it would be habituated in my communication, then I can make the speed. That's all. That's so easy. So, what's the reply? I would be tickle pink and also I would be accelerated as well. Three words I have used till now. Now, next. After that, I would be making something for him or her for making our conversation a fruitful one or conversation go on. I he is or she is my best friend from my childhood, and I was really freaked out for a fraction of second whenever whenever I saw my friend near knocking at the door of my house. So freaked out, fraction of second. This other words, two words more I have used here. Again, what will be I doing then? That is the after that I would be saying him to have a sit, and we will have a very very well or very enriching gossip with each other so that we can make fun, we can have very you can we can have very playful moment, very joyous moment, and I will we shall have a very good timing with each other. So six words I have used in this 1 minute 1 minute reply. So I could use many words because it should be my habit. So you see, can you follow the speed of mine? I have made my speed a bit slower because I am learning to use vocabulary, and that's the work you should do. That's the work we need to get. Now did you understand how to say? Did you understand? That is the thing. No need to be in tearing rush. Just convenient, be comfortable, and use and very very slow less. Be very slow. with the use of vocabulary, because we are learning. When we are learning something, we need to be slower, and then we can make it better and better by a speed, by a very good speed. That's the thing. So be very, very comfortable and very, very slower in the time of using vocabularies when I ask you any question and you are to reply. So Karan, did you understand how did I reply? How to use vocabularies? What is the criteria? Yeah. You need to be fluent here. So be sure you are very slow with the vocabularies. Please start your answer, Karan. But how did you get this much? I think you made a poem by your own and just recited it in front of us. Very nicely you have said that your how would you feel if your friend comes and you get freaked out for a fraction of second. That's good. That's really very good. Nice. Very nice, dear. Very nicely you have explained.